Do you like him?
Hi guys! We're back with another video today, and today we are doing Adriana's nails. We are giving her a French tip set and I'm super excited about it. So let's show you guys the set that we're using.
Okay guys, so this is the Apres Kurami Gel X set and it's super cute guys. I love the little ears on it. It's so cute. This is the set we're using today. I bought this Apres X Kurami. This is how to use it. It comes with a file, 100 by 180 grit file, a little buffer, instructions on how to use this light. You guys, look at this light. I already charged it before she came, so it's super cute. You can open it up. And also it comes with everything you need to do the Gel X kit. So it has the Gel X extensions here with 10 different sizes. And we have the pH bonder, the Gel X Prep, the Extend Gel, the French Manicure in black, and we have the top coat by Apres all. And yeah, so okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so we are going to start by prepping and cleaning the natural nail and applying the pH bonder to the natural nail. The third step is applying a thin layer of Extend Gel non-wipe onto the natural nail. Guys, this process is super easy, so let's just get into it.
Most of them are
okay guys, so we're back and we just finished doing this hand and we're about to start prepping this hand. So we prepped this hand, prepping this hand. These are the
they work.
Sorry guys, let's turn off the Shira. These are the tools that we use to prep. We use this one from Amazon and these two from Jenny Secrets. Okay, so let's go into prepping this hand. What nail salon you know does this?
No one. No one.
This hand. Show them your other hand. Y'all, I completely messed up on this side. Don't look at it, don't look at it. But we just finished putting on the press-ons on that hand. So we're finna do the next. So let's show you guys.
I wouldn't even believe what time it is. And look at Adriana's nails, y'all.
Y'all, this is the state of the nails. It is literally almost 2 a.m. and we're about to finish. So let's go. Oh, I just watched this movie yesterday. It's so funny. Sorry. Oh my god, what is it going on? Well, I'm so proud. This is my first time ever doing it.
Really?
Like this. Well, it's not my first time ever doing somebody's nails. It's my first time ever using this kit.
So you could have used it.
Yeah, because I know how to do the process here. No, I know how to do the process.
I should do that. Go to a spot for my birthday.
Oh, yeah. I'm with my friend. Really? I don't know when though. I have to pick a day. I'm like so fucking Don't say go. Go on Groupon. You been on it?
No, but I will.
It's like everything's just like a discount. The stores go on there and they advertise their business on it and they get like 60% off for the customer. So you get every service on that 60% off, yeah. And for spas and everything. That's how I book on my. That's how I'm able to do so much stuff. I just booked the Groupon. The Groupon. I have a Groupon for Saturday. I'm thinking for Sunday. I'm getting a concentration. Okay guys, so we are just finished the shaping. We're gonna go into the color. This is the design that we're going for. And this is the shape that we are going for. And this is the design that we're going for. So let's stay tuned. These are the colors that we're using. We don't have this nude shade, so we're gonna go with this more brown nude. Stay tuned. Y'all, we just finished the nude color. How do you like it, Adriana?
I love them.
Okay, let's keep going.
Don't move, Michael. Ne le laissez pas sortir, ne voit pas quitter le bâtiment. Un cacaboule là, très n'importe, en vert. Négatif, c'est pas qui. Ok.
Yeah, where'd you getting the clip of? You getting the clip?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. So show the other hand. So this is everything like this hand. Okay, y'all, we just finished Adriana's nails. Period. This is my first time using the Kuromi Gel X set. I think it was pretty good for a first time. Do you like him?
Love him.
They last.
Maybe like the whole one.
Thank you. Hey y'all. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys this was my first time using the Gel X Kuromi kit. And there was some things that I did do wrong with this application. And I am planning on posting, sorry guys, I live in Jurassic Park, but I am planning on posting another tutorial updated of this. But I just wanted to show you guys how I did this application because it did last for 3 weeks. And I think that the nails came out very, very cute. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.